Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up code signing for iOS with Xcode step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the latest version of Xcode installed on your Mac. Open Xcode and navigate to the menu bar. Click on Xcode and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Accounts tab. Click the plus button in the lower left corner to add your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and password, then click Sign In. After signing in, you will see your Apple ID listed in the Accounts. Select your Apple ID and click on the Manage Certificates button. Click the plus button to create a new certificate. Choose iOS Development from the list of options and click Continue. Xcode will generate a certificate signing request. Open Keychain Access, which can be found in your Applications folder under Utilities. In Keychain Access, go to the Keychain menu at the top and select Certificate Assistant. Choose Request a Certificate from a Certificate Authority. Now return to your Apple Developer account in a web browser. Log in to your Apple Developer account. Navigate to Certificates, Identifiers and Profiles. Click on Certificates in the left sidebar. Select the plus button to create a new certificate. Choose iOS App Development and click Continue. Upload the CSR file you saved earlier and click Continue. Download the generated certificate to your computer. Double-click the downloaded certificate to install it in Keychain Access. Open your Xcode project and select your app target. Go to the Signing and Capabilities tab. Ensure Automatically Manage Signing is enabled for simplicity. Select your development team from the drop-down list. Confirm that Xcode recognizes your newly installed certificate. Now, ensure your app's bundle identifier matches one registered in your developer account. If you haven't registered a bundle identifier, do so in the Identifiers section of your developer account. Once everything is set, you are ready to build and run your app on your device. Connect your iOS device to your Mac and select it as the target. Click the Build button to compile your app. Xcode will handle the signing process automatically. Finally, check for any error messages in the build log. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.